What you need to know if you're hurt on government property or hurt by a government employee. I'm attorney Jamison Allen. I represent people who are injured. A lot of my clients are injured on government property or by a government employee or agent. For example, some of my clients were hurt on a school bus. So, is there anything that makes that case different from being hurt in a car owned by an individual? Yes, several things. Most important thing you need to know is that your deadline clock is shorter and it's ticking. So Indiana government takes care of itself by giving itself extra protections that you and I don't have. If I hurt someone, that person is going to have most likely 2 years to file a lawsuit against me. The same rule technically applies to a government, but if that person, if hurt by a government employee or on government property, that there's negligence on behalf of the government, that person also needs to send what's called a tort claim notice within 180 days or 270 days from the injury. So what's a tort claim notice? Tort claim notice is a filing that has various information that's set forth by statute. Your name, address, what happened in the crash or the slip and fall, whatever the injury is, witnesses, information about your injuries, et cetera, et cetera. So what happens if you don't file a tort claim notice timely within 180 days for some defendants, within 270 days for some other defendants? You lose. Your case is over. You have no case. If you then file a lawsuit, it will be dismissed, and you'll forever be prohibited from getting any compensation. One thing that I note, want you to note, is that the deadline for cities and certain municipalities is 180 days. It's not 6 months. If I were cynical, I would think that that number was chosen specifically to make some people have 6 months in their heads and end up missing the deadline by a couple days. Because 6 months is usually 182, 183 days, not 180. It's longer than 180. But if you don't have that filed in time, you won't have a chance to file your lawsuit. And that is one of many reasons why, if you are injured, you need to speak to an attorney. Because that deadline and other deadlines, the need to preserve evidence, send evidentiary preservation letters, et cetera, are all reasons to speak to an attorney if you are injured. If you have any questions, contact me, Jamison Allen, Marc Lopez Law, 317-632-3642.